And when we before we talk about virtue related to work, what is a virtue? Virtue is what? Acceptable behavior. Or we can say moral behavior, moral conduct, or behavior that is good. Yes? Behavior that is good. So, what are these good behaviors or moral behaviors or moral conducts that are emphasized in or at work? Which ones are emphasized? We have you wrote about diligence, right? There is diligence. What else did you write? Honesty, faithfulness. These are virtues that are related to work, and they are emphasized. Diligence is whereby you work hard. You have to work hard. You have to be determined and to persevere as you work hard in your particular job. When you talk about honesty and integrity, it is whereby you are dependable and you do what you're supposed to do without going against the what? The rules of the job. It is whereby you cannot even accept what? You are not supposed to accept bribe. Very good. Then we talk about faithfulness or being loyal. Faithfulness is whereby you are able to keep your promises. If you say I'm going to work at a particular task at your job, you work on it. And being loyal is whereby you don't give away the secrets of your particular organization or your company. If we talk about responsibility, we are talking about you are responsible. It means that you are putting at the companies or where you work, that particular area, you put their needs first before yours. Yes? If you know you're supposed to do something that is personal, you first go to your work and you adhere to your responsibilities so that you can come and tackle your work later. That is the responsibility. And then you have tolerance, is whereby you can be able to bear difficult situations. For example, there's a time there were, is it last year? Yes, we were told to adjust ourselves and take what? We changed the meals in a particular yes, and we were very tolerant over all of us, yes, which was good, and now things are back to the best way. So that is tolerance. So from which page? One, two, three. Can we read together? Diligence. Diligence. When relating to
in whatever work that Christians do, they are expected to apply their minds, energy and talent into it, success in whatever one that is achieved through determination and perseverance.
honesty.
Honesty or integrity. When relating to work, She or he should treat them with dignity and respect. An employee should in turn show a sense of responsibility by honoring his or her promise to work. She or he should take care of the resources